How to fix TikTok Shadowban problem. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you are facing problem from Shadowban, what Shadowban basically means is that TikTok is providing your videos to the watchers less frequently. So, if you want to know if you've been shadowbanned, then one of the signs can be that your views are gradually decreasing than it used to be. So, in order to do that, you can use various methods. First of all, you can delete any content that violates the community guidelines of TikTok. Now, the other thing you can do is delete and reinstall the app. It may work sometime. Now, the next thing you can do is take a short posting break. If you are shadow banned and you post more videos, then the shadow ban can last longer, so take a small break. The other thing you can do is switch to a pro account. And at last, what you can do is first of all go to TikTok, then in the bottom right corner you'll see profile, tap on it, then tap on the three bar option which is in the top right corner and go to settings and privacy. From here scroll to the bottom of the page and then go to help center. After you do that, tap on report a problem. From here scroll a bit down and then over here you can see you can also contact us through our online reporting form. Tap on it, then from topic select the topic and then tap on submit. After you do that, you can successfully report a problem. Then TikTok can see your problem and get back to you. So this is how you can fix shadowban problem on TikTok. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.